Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we have a huge website update, and we're kicking off the new addition to the website with the largest giveaway we have done to date. This giveaway is going to have two winners. One person will win the Olight Warrior X Pro Superior Tactical Thrower, and the other person will win the Bosch 2-tool combo kit. It is 18 volt. You get the impact driver, you get the drill, 2 batteries, and the charger. So that's part of the giveaway. The huge website update is we now have a forum on struggleville.net, so we can share tool deals, non-related deals. We got a YouTube section. We'll have Harbor Freight coupons. We have any kind of shop talk. If you want to share your projects, ask questions, talk about tools, we got it all there. We got an off-topic forum where you can just talk about whatever the hell you want. And that is open as of today. Right now, there is a link down below to sign up. And obviously, it is related to the giveaway. The giveaway is going to run for 1 week, starting obviously right now. You're watching this video, it's already going. It's going to go until 11:59 next Monday. The Monday after Memorial Day, whatever date that is, I don't know. But the Monday after, 11:59 p.m. Central Time. Now, part of it's a contest, part of it's a random draw. The contest portion is whoever creates the most posts on the forum between right now and that time on Monday gets to choose which prize they want. Now, no just smashing the keyboard with a bunch of letters that don't even make sense to form sentences. They got to be like legitimate replies to posts or creating your new threads. And there's a statistics page on the forum where everyone can follow along and see who's in the lead, where you're at compared to other people. All of that's available to you. I already did a tutorial video on the forum on my second channel, which I will link down below with the link to the forum. So if you have any questions, if you're not super savvy on those kinds of things, check out that video and it'll show you how to use the entire thing. So that person's going to get to choose. Now, in addition, you're going to get the Struggleville t-shirt, you're going to get the magnets, probably going to get some other little accessory tools, whatever else I can fit in the box. Whatever that person doesn't choose, the other prize will go to a random forum member who has at least 10 posts. That's replies to other people's threads or creating your own thread, but you have to have at least 10 to be entered into the random draw, again, at that same time, Monday, 11:59 Central Time p.m. So whoever has the most posts gets to pick their prize. The other person will be a random draw. I will message you through the PM system on the message board. You will get a PM from PJ, Administrator PJ. That's my new title, Administrator. You'll get a PM from me asking you which prize you want, t-shirt size, address. You have 1 week from the time I message you to reply with all that information. If you do not reply, you forfeit. So make sure you're checking your PMs. A banner comes across the top saying, you have an unread message. It's really nifty. You should know. Also, the forum is going to have a reward system where you can win some Struggleville merch based on creating posts. You can win magnets, stickers, t-shirts. You can win a Struggleville hammer. It's not really win, it's earn. Because create X amount of posts, you get a prize. For me, I'm going to be posting all my mileage may vary deals over there. In the past, I have avoided the your mileage may vary deals on the website because they're relevant to a relatively small amount of people, and I hate to send out a notification to a couple thousand people when it's not going to be relevant to most of them. But on the forum, the tool forum, the non-tool forum, I'm going to put all the your mileage may vary deals there. You can put whatever deals you have there, whether your mileage may vary or online, and I will take some and put them onto the main page. And the ones I put on the main part of the website, I will link back to your profile on the forum. If you have your own YouTube channel, your own website, whatever, you can add those links to your profile and everyone else will see them. So a nice little way to be collective and help each other out. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and go sign up for that forum.